Imagine your brain is on fire, but no one else can see the flames. Your heart is racing, your thoughts won't stop, and your body feels like it's preparing for danger, even when nothing is wrong. This is what anxiety feels like. And today we're going inside the anxious mind and showing you how to calm it. Anxiety isn't weakness. It's your brain trying to protect you. Thousands of years ago, anxiety helped humans survive predators and danger. But today, your brain still uses that same ancient system to react to emails, social pressure, and future worries. Your brain can't tell the difference between a tiger and a stressful thought. When anxiety hits, your amygdala, the brain's alarm system, triggers a fight or flight response. Your heart beats faster, your muscles tense, your mind starts scanning for threats that aren't even there. People describe anxiety as a constant sense of dread, tightness in the chest, racing thoughts that won't stop, feeling disconnected from reality, a fear that something terrible is about to happen. Anxiety doesn't just affect the mind. It affects the body, the breath, the stomach, the sleep, the way you think about yourself. And the worst part, anxiety often makes you afraid of your own thoughts. 5 science-based ways to calm anxiety. 1. Slow your breath. When you slow your breathing, you send a signal to your brain that you are safe. Try inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4, and exhaling for 6. 2. Ground yourself. Look around and name 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you hear. This pulls your brain out of fear and back into the present. 3. Reframe the thought. Instead of something is wrong, say, this is anxiety. It will pass. 4. Relax your body. Tense your muscles for 5 seconds, then release. This tells your nervous system that the danger is over. 5. Practice self-compassion. Anxiety thrives on self-criticism. Calm grows when you treat yourself gently. Anxiety doesn't mean you're broken. It means your brain is trying to keep you safe, sometimes too much. With practice, your mind can learn calm again. You are not your thoughts. You are not your anxiety. You are the observer of your mind. And with time, patience, and kindness, peace becomes possible. If this video helped you, subscribe to Quiet Mind Studio for weekly mental health tips, guided calm routines, and psychology-based self-help. Leave a comment. What does anxiety feel like for you? Your story could help someone else feel less alone.